Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we're going to compare between YouTube TV versus Fubo TV in 2025. We will compare these two popular live TV streaming services to find out which one is cheaper, better, and most suited for you. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about pricing. In 2025, YouTube TV starts at around $73 per month, offering over 100 channels, unlimited DVR, and up to 6 user profiles per account. Fubo TV, on the other hand, starts at $75 per month for its base plan, with more than 171 channels and 1,000 hours of DVR. Both services often run promotions, so keep an eye out for deals. So when it comes to pricing, YouTube TV is slightly cheaper, but Fubo TV offers more channels, especially if you are a sports fan. And speaking of sports, Fubo TV is known for its extensive sports coverage, including niche leagues and international games. It also includes channels like NFL Network, MLB Network, and more. YouTube TV isn't far behind, with ESPN, Fox Sports, and CBS Sports, but it doesn't cater as much to hardcore sports enthusiasts. And when it comes to entertainment and local channels, both services are strong contenders. YouTube TV excels with its smooth interface and superior DVR capabilities. However, Fubo TV wins for variety with its massive channel lineup and unique international options. Alright, now let's break down the pros and cons of each service. YouTube TV pros include cheaper base plan, unlimited DVR, and smooth and intuitive interface. YouTube TV cons include fewer channels compared to Fubo, not as sports focused, and when talking about the pros of Fubo TV, it has excellent sports coverage, large channel selection, and great for international content. But nothing is perfect, and Fubo TV has also some cons. It is slightly pricier and its interface can feel cluttered. And one more thing to consider is the device compatibility and streaming experience. Both work on most platforms, smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV, as well as smartphones and tablets. However, YouTube TV is often praised for its smoother performance and intuitive app design, while Fubo TV might feel a bit clunky on older devices. So if ease of use is a priority to you, YouTube TV has the edge here. So which one should you actually choose? If you are a sports fan or want the most channels, Fubo TV might be worth the extra cost. But if you are looking for affordability with solid entertainment and DVR, YouTube TV is the way to go. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities, sports, savings, or channel variety. So let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for and why. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.